Hi guys, this is MARE. So I'm usually using the Japanese, getting worse to use English. So I think I need to use the English more, spend time with English. So I decided some segment to produce this YouTube channel. Name of segment is How to Pronunciation in Japanese for real. I mean, some Japanese word in worldwide everybody using, but some word is not so clearly like a Japanese. You know, some intonation including with some country. You know, I'm gonna tell you some word in Japanese for real pronunciation. So today is this one. A lot of people from overseas, they call it karaoke. But if I say karaoke in real Japanese, karaoke. It's not karaoke. If you say karaoke in Japan, and Japanese cannot understand what is this. So you have to say karaoke. Karaoke 行きたい. Karaoke 行こう. It's good pronunciation for Japanese. So it's not so important the pronunciation. The most important things is how to let them understand what you're talking about. So if you have real pronunciations, so it's gonna be easier to let them understand what you're saying. So maybe it's a good thing to understand what is pronunciation for real in Japan. So today is a karaoke. Real pronunciation is karaoke. Thanks for watching. So see you next time.